Welcome back. For the past 6 years, the Chris Middleton Basketball Camp has enrolled over 600 campers, distributed camp scholarships to more than 100 of Charleston's unprivileged youth, and donated thousands of dollars to local nonprofits. For the fourth summer in a row, Chris will host the basketball right here in Shreveport. And here to give us all the details are Candace Vaughn Thomas, Shreveport Camp Coordinator, and Terrence Graham, I.S. Sanders Scholarship Fund Committee member. Guys, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
We are so excited to talk about the Chris Middleton Camp. Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's been going on for the past 5 years, and he comes here to just give back to the community for those who supported him from Texas A&M, the Pistons, and now the Milwaukee Bucks. So it's 2 days of grand fun, so they learn skills, they participate in different fun activities, we feed them, they get great gifts, and then all of the proceeds from the camp actually goes to a charity of the Chris Middleton Family Foundation Choice. And one of the scholarships that is given, or the proceeds that is given, is to the I.S. Sanders Scholarship Fund. And Terrence is here this morning to just tell you a little bit about that.
Yeah, that's exciting. A lot of scholarships for the youth.
Absolutely. It's tremendous that Chris has decided to give to our camp as we continue to promote education and support the community. Just the mere fact that he takes time out of his busy schedule to not only do his basketball camp, but to also continue to support education. I think that's profound.
Absolutely. What we were talking about earlier is the importance of not only being an athlete, but encouraging kids to stay in school, to be educated, and just a well-rounded person.
That's right. One of Chris's biggest thing is that to know that whatever you do, whatever you put your mind to, you have to give 110%, and not only have a plan A, but to have a plan B. So he promotes education, he promotes, you know, health, mental health, everything. I mean, he's so awesome and such a humble individual. One of the things that I'm proud of him the most is that he recognizes the needs, and he tries his best to, you know, get in, you know, to encourage the youth, to let them know that everyone is not going to make it to the NBA, but that's not the end of the world. There's other options. So he helps motivate them and let them know that, you know, that his dream was that, but he had other dreams as well, and he's living out those dreams too.
Yeah, that's so exciting, and what a great opportunity for the youth to get involved with this basketball camp and to find an idol in Chris Middleton. I think that he's a great person to follow and to go in his lead. So thank you guys so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
We're going to pop up the information right there on your screen, and you can register at chrismiddleton.com for that camp. I know there's still spots available.
Yes.
So definitely encouraging you to do so. Thank you guys again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And don't go anywhere. The roads can be tough on your vehicle, and you can't have a great looking car with bad looking wheels. We're giving them a little TLC when we return. In this segment, For Your Life, we're going back on the road with you, and we've made our way back to Twin Cities Wheel Polishing and Repair, and I'm here with my friend Frank. Frank, thanks so much for inviting us back out.
You're very welcome.
We are so excited to be here. So last time we were here, we chatted about the damage that our wheels get from the roads in town, or just from traveling. There can be some damage that are cost to our wheels. Today, you're actually showing us how to repair them.
I'm going to show you the equipment we use to repair them, and just to give you an idea that there's not, a lot of people feel that it's just a hammer and you beat them up and you do this and you do that. No, there is equipment, and there are a lot more people in this world that do this than myself.
Yes.
But this is just some of the equipment that we use, like on cracked wheels. When they're cracked here or here or here, we use a TIG welder.
Okay.
And we weld this side, and then we weld the back side, and then we smooth it off and even it off here so the tire will seat up. And that's the end of that one for that.
Yeah.
The most important thing is to make sure it's done and done right.
Absolutely.
Over here, this is what we use to polish the trim around windows, doors for hot rods, fancy cars. This is the TIG welder that we use to weld that with. This is a wheel polishing machine which we use to polish wheels with. It's got a turntable on it. This is the turntable that we use to polish the wheels with. Goes on there. This is what we use here. And we use different compounds and different types of wheels depending on what we're doing and how bad the wheel is. Over here we have a torch which we use 90% of the time to heat the wheels with that are bent. This is a steel wheel, but the aluminum wheels are done exactly the same. And we heat the area that we need. And if you watch close, you'll see that that part moves as the hydraulics go out. You'll see they go out. And then we have this piece of equipment here is what we use to straighten this part with. We pull this down and it pulls that down and brings that back out. The next is if we have scuffed wheels, road rash, curb rash, we put it on here. We use a grinder. We grind up what part is bad, smooth it out. Then we use whatever color paint it is. We install it in this can with the paint injector. We put the paint in here. And then we use this to touch up our wheel with. And all wheels are different colors and different shades. So it's one of those type of situations you don't know what you're dealing with until it comes in and it happens. Then at that point it sort of talks to you where it tells you what needs to be done. Every wheel cannot be repaired or welded to be safe. And at that point, everybody needs to realize that if somebody tells you that is in this business, it's good to pay attention to them. Because at that point, if you push it and you repair the wheel, or you push him to repair the wheel and something happens, he's at liability.
Frank, you do a great job here, and we want everyone to feel like they're in good hands whenever they come see you, and you walk us through the process of everything that you're able to do here. But where can people come and get their wheels fixed up and polished and good to go?
I'm at 3060 Nolan Road, and if you need to get a hold of me, which is the best thing, you can either call me, 318-780-0011. And it's always good to call first and give me an indication.
Yes.
So that way when you come in, I will have time to spend with you and we can discuss what the issue is and make it happen.
Yes. Thank you so much, Frank, for inviting
You're
us
welcome.
out.
God bless
and
you.
if you need some wheels, some wheel TLC, you can't have a good-looking car if you have bad-looking wheels. We want to invite you here to Twin Cities Wheel Polishing and Repair with our friend Frank. He's ready to take care of all your needs.
We want you to wear a tuxedo, not with tennis shoes, but with patent leather.
Yes.